When the customer eat the cake, they feel the cake is uncooked. Not they are bad actually, it's from our side. We couldn't educate our customer what is Cakepop. So we made a lot of video to get the Malaysian know what is Cakepop. Hi, I'm Noor. I am the founder of Crazepop. I used to be a graphic designer for 10 years after graduated from Bachelor in Art and Design from UiTM. My first career in graphic designer, I work with retail company. So it's a very busy, very hectic job. But when I get married and pregnant with my number 2, I start to look for something that is more laid back, more relaxed. So I start looking for no-bake dessert. There's one recipe, very simple recipe. It's Oreo truffle. You just need to crumb the Oreo, mix with cream cheese, and dip it in the chocolate. That is how I start. So from there, my sister starts selling the Oreo truffle without me having a proper plan to sell it actually. I mean, my sister is my first customer and we can see the product have a potential. So I rely on Facebook to get my first customers at that time. In 2018, I decided to have a staff because I couldn't do it myself anymore. So I just hired one baker first because making a cake, the cleaning part, the baking part is the most exhausted part. You can ask anyone to bake the cake. But to get someone who can decorate the cake is not easy. It takes some time for her to get used to it, but it works the waiting. Okay, I just teach her, I mean like 6 months only, she can do by herself now. I mean, Malaysia don't really know what is Cakepop. They don't know what inside the cake. So it is actually crumble cake mixed with the binder, and we shape into a few shape, and then the basic one is a round shape. And when the customer eat the cake, they feel the cake is uncooked. So it's quite difficult to make the customers understand, but it's not they are bad actually. It's from our side. We couldn't educate our customer what is Cakepop. So we made a lot of video showing them what is Cakepop, what inside the Cakepop, how to do the Cakepop. So we try to get the Malaysian know what is Cakepop. The best achievement in my Crazepop journey is we are still exist in the market after a decade actually. That is a big achievement for me. I got a video message from, I couldn't remember her name, but I remember her IG account is a Cakepop from Virginia, United States. She's crying in that video saying that, have you ever seen others work and you crying inside out? I mean, she said she's crying inside when looking at Crazepop works, and that is so overwhelmed for me because Cakepop originated from United States, and one of the bakers in that state compliment our job, compliment our creation. I think it's a very overwhelming response along the process lah. Thank you my weekend plan and Cakepop for having me in this session. For all those bakers out there, if you want to make Cakepop, just go for it, don't be afraid. You always have me here to ask for anything. I would like to share everything I know. And so that's it for today, and thank you and bye bye.